Oh, okay. Look at this video. Oh, ooh, a restaurant. Oh, this is this is good and smell beautiful here. What is this? A food? Next. Oh, a spaghetti, a fixed fries for me. Let's eat it right now. Mm. Yum, yum. The delicious spaghetti. It's the most delicious spaghetti ever tried. Super delicious for me. I wanna get more. Excuse me. Hey, it's nothing, nothing. This is uh, don't worry about it. Let's keep eating. Yum, 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 yum. And delicious potato. Um, I wanna try some potato like ham. Wait, hey, stop doing that. That's my fixed fries, dude. That's not fair. I have an idea. Woohoo! Woohoo! What was that? Oh, hmm. That was weird. Is everything fine? I think so. That's a melon. Let me keep going with this one. Oh yeah. Another sound. Hmm. There's something bad in here. Oh, let me try. Oh look, a monster. Oh, stop eating my freaks fries. It's my fries, not yours. Are you listening to me? Oh no. No more freaks fries for me? Dude, what's happening with this? That's not fair. My freaks fries. Why you make me this stuff? Don't cry, Ed. Try this spaghetti. Oh, uh, uh, oh, ooh, delicious spaghetti. I wanna try this now. No more freaks fries. Spaghetti now. Yum. Yum. Um. Oh, Pencilmation.